Mm, there we go. What's up, guys? I was just raiding the kids' candy jars. Farad, welcome. I don't really have a plan for today because we had a bunch of people over last night for Halloween. So, I didn't really get a chance to. I was hoping I had a chance to plan something yesterday, but then, the whole day of getting the entire house clean and doing all this other stuff for the guests, it took my whole day. So, I didn't get much planned, so I'll just wing it. What I might do is I want to get the arcade game up for November for the monthly challenge on the website. So I'll probably work on that some and see if we can get that integrated with the website. I'm just looking over the survey from the Construct 2 survey that I sent out. A lot of people want to know about monetization. That's going to come. That's going to all come through Cocoon, though. So, all right. How is everybody's Sunday? Everyone having a good Sunday? So, let's see. Arcade games and Breakanoid. This was another one of Mondu's games that I think is a good pick for the first monthly challenge. It is going good. It's going real good. I also had this guy. I think it's Russ Puppy Games. Let me just verify that real quick. He sent me two of his games that he has on
nice kitty
Steam that he made with Construct 2. He also sent me some keys to give away. So I'll play these games on stream for a bit too. I just want to make sure I got the name right. Where does it show the developer's name? When I am not seeing that. There it is. Russ Puppy. So he sent me Spooky Cats, which is kind of a spooky but fun. It's a fun game. It's a fun little platformer. And then he also did this game called The Deletion, which is very cool as well. So we'll be checking those out here in a little bit. We'll let the stream grow a little bit. I didn't even look at, is there anybody else really streaming today? A lot of the guys I follow did not pop up in my email that they were streaming today. So they may all be sleeping off the Halloween. So first thing I'm going to do with Breakanoid is I'm just going to play it for a bit. Make sure everything is looking good. So I'm thinking this will be the high score challenge for November. So I'm going to work on this the next couple days, get it up on the website. Oh yeah. Daffy Day, welcome, my friend. Get a little. Oh, missed. Get in there. Oh, this game is very well done. I feel like maybe power-ups come out too often. Thanks, Selmick. I appreciate it. Alright. Even in the arcade version of Arkanoid, this is the level I hate the most. This level is like ridiculously hard. Because you can't break the gold ones. So you gotta kind of get the ball up in there. And it starts getting faster. And it's so close to you. So, yeah. Now, in the arcade version, the ball starts off at an angle, so it's a little bit easier to get that first shot up there. But that's alright. This is an excellent remake. Come on, get up. There we go. No. That's a good one. That's a good one. Come on, stay up there. Yes. Yes. Stay up there. No, 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 no. Ugh. So hard. Don't come back. $15,140. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's see. Mac Ravik. Mac Ravkov. Welcome. Iceman LT. Welcome. Alright, I'm going to grab the chat real quick here. I don't know. I hadn't seen that one yet when I was playing it. It may not. I don't know exactly what the how the power-ups are labeled. So oh, it's a different animation for each one. Shrink, laser cat. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's one to skip level, the warp one. So I think this is in good shape. The thing we need to do to interact with the overlay is add in the feature to take one of your quarters and then add the feature to upload your high score to the online database. So those are the two things. And now that I think about it, those are two things I probably do not want to work through on stream. Just because I don't want to show some of that process. So yeah, but maybe I can export this. If you guys want to try it out, you can. And then let me know if you see any bugs or anything in it. In this current build. And then I can get it prepared to upload to the website. And I'll get it prepared to do all the overlay integration, the website integration. So as always, Sunday morning, pretty casual. If you guys have any questions or anything concerning kind of game dev in general or Construct 2 more specifically, if you've got questions about projects that you're working on, you need help with, I could try to help out. Just hit me with anything. Do you guys want some music? Shuffle. Yeah. Let me know if that's too loud. Alright, let's get this uploaded under beta. Okay, let me get you guys a URL for this. So let me know if there's any glaring bugs or anything in there if you want to take the time checking that out this morning. Or anytime the next couple days, that would be awesome. Star-Lord GG, welcome. Glad to have you, man. Is Moobot in here? I don't think I have Moobot in here. There's Moobot. I did get some fixes done on the overlay, I think, this week. A bug where people were randomly disappearing. And there was something else going on the overlay. So I think I got those things fixed up. So I'm just going to keep my eye on who is in the chat. Oops. And I have a new status window to show what all's going on, so I can take a look at some stuff if need be. Alright. So I am working on a new mobile game called Confusing, and the game design and game idea and everything came from Rindon, who you'll see on my stream from times, aka Michael, and he's got a real talent for coming up with game ideas and documenting them in game development documents, like incredibly detailed. So I got this idea from him, and we're kind of working a bit together on it. So basically, it's a, and this is all prototype graphics, of course. So essentially, it's a mobile game where there are two bombs in the room that you need to ignite at the same time in order to move on to the next room of the level. So the levels are kind of laid out like, Zelda levels. And then you'll progress into the next room if you blow the bombs up simultaneously. And then you get to go on to the next room. So that's kind of what I'm working on right now, and I'm going to be streaming that quite a bit during the week. So that should be fun. I'm looking forward to that. We're just nailing out the final details. I'm creating a level editor for it, which I thought I might do some of that today. One thing that I was finding really frustrating with Construct 2, and it seems weird that you can't do this, because I know in like Unity and GameMaker you can, but for example in my level editor, when I click on one of these game objects, these are all different game objects, and when I click on one, you can't store like the game object in a variable. So I can't like click on this and then store the game object and then create a new instance of that game object where I click somewhere else. I can record the UID of it, but that doesn't help me create like a new one. And I feel like there's probably a way, and I'm just like completely spacing it. So if you have an idea of how to do that in C2, let me know, because I feel like there's got to be a way for me to click this, store, okay, that's electric straight. So I have a variable set to that, and then when I click somewhere else, I create another one of those. I use the create object to create one of those. So I feel like I'm missing it, and I don't know why I can't think of that. And maybe there's just not a way, because I don't know that I've had to do that before. So if you know of a way to do that, please let me know, because as it is right now, I have to do like on touch bomb, create bomb, and then set variable select object to bomb. And then I have to say, when I click on one of these, if it's bomb, do this. If it's, you know, electric straight, do this. It just seems like a lot of extra coding. So I feel like there's got to be a way to do this another way. Basically what I'm trying to do is when I click on one of these, store it. So anytime I click on my grid, then it'll recreate that, or create that object on that grid somewhere. So anyways, so like right now I have bomb selected, and then I would want to, whenever I clicked on one of these green ones, it would create a bomb in that spot. And then if I switched it to something else, then when I click, you know, kind of like a tile map editor. Nothing from the peanut gallery on that. So I've got to think on that. Just thinking, if they were all in one object, I could do it by frame. Maybe I should try that instead. Hey, Fran McOdd. Yeah, did I get that right? Welcome. So I guess I could do it that way. I could create these all as one object. Let me try that. That might be a lot easier. I don't know why I didn't think about that earlier. And seriously, guys, let me know if the music's too loud. I can't really tell. So let's see. What I can do is... But man, then I would have to know what each object, what each frame is. But does that matter for the level editor? I guess it doesn't. Because the level editor is not actually going to interact with anything. It's just basically sticking down tiles. Though it just would be nice to know So I could make it all one object. Go by frames. If there's a plugin or anything out there to do what I'm wanting to do. Store object in variable. Doesn't look like it. Does anybody have any ideas? Create object. By name? I want to feel like there's Rex did a plugin like this. Let me look. Bear with me, guys. I'm trying to work through this issue real quick. Seeing if there's a plugin that might do this for me. Let's see. Additive Stuffin', welcome, buddy. I thought I saw something in here at one point. Feel my mojo, welcome back, my friend. A banner for gold mine. I don't know what gold mine is, but I can tell you I'm not doing this to make any money, so thank you. Appreciate it. If you're not here to hang out with us while we do some game dev, then I'd appreciate not the spam, so thank you. Does anybody remember? Web storage. What? Why don't you put a banner for spam a mine? I hate when my chat does this. Okay, is there a plugin? There can't be a behavior. That'd be weird. Oh, assign a nickname to this object. What's that do? There's a plugin. This plugin could create an instance by defined nickname string. Ah, that might be what I'm looking for. That looks cool. Last Talon, welcome, buddy. Welcome back. Good to see you, man. Alright, so let's check out those two plugins. Sure. So I'm gonna check these out, this plugin out, and then I'll play one of these games that was sent in by Restpuppy. So let's see. Let's grab this guy. Let's grab the plugin nickname. Let's see what that does. Interesting. Create instance. Oh, that's awesome. Alright, so what does the behavior do? Just allows me to give it a nickname. Huh. Let me try the bomb. Nickname bomb. Okay, let's try this. Everything looks so fancy now. It might. That might. One of the filtered words I put in there may be ASS asterisk. But I can go fix that. That's funny. You can't say assets in this stream, man. But yeah, I bet it does because of the way I have my Twitch filters. Where's the filters? Hey, Michael, how's it going? Yeah, that's why. Alright, you can say assets now. It is now okay. So Michael, welcome. I'm working on the level editor for our little project. I was just explaining to everybody about your amazing skill in game ideas and design and game development document creation. Woo! Good job, guys. Is Quarters still not working for you, Mubo? Or is it showing it and we just don't see it? Pig Shocks. There you go. Move my mic a little further away so when I lean into that computer I don't. I'm not dropping any frames, so... Sorry, Selmic. Sad times. Sometime throughout the stream, I bet you'll earn some quarters if you stick around here for a while. I don't know, Selmic. I don't know if something big's going on Twitch today or not. I'm not showing any drops on my end, so as far as I can tell, it's not on my end. Everyone goes with stars. I don't have stars. I have like this weird brownish maroon mauve looking pattern thing. I went away from space. Alright, let me see if this works. So I'm going to set the selected object to bomb.nickname. Okay. It's missing a behavioral expression. It needs a dot and an expression after it. Okay. I guess that makes sense. So now on touched marker, I'm going to wait. I need to create an instance, nickname bomb at marker X, marker Y. That's fine. Alright, let's see if this works. This will be super exciting. Woohoo! Alright, that's awesome. Is anybody else having buffering problems? Let me see if I do. Let me see if I do. That looks alright. Yes, I'm working on the level editor. That looks alright. Ah, cool. Let me make sure I'm following you, Talon, because I'm not sure that I am, so I can check it out later. Oh, I am following you. Okay. I'll check it out for sure when you go on. Okay, so this is awesome, this nickname thing. So that solved that problem of me typing, making so much code. Oh, doing it right away? Okay. Well, I'll check it out when I'm done. Ah, that's a bummer, man. I'm sorry. Well, if you do, and you're still on when we're done, then I'll make sure I host you. Now, let's see what else this nickname thing can do. Create instance into family. Alright, this is pretty cool. So it's just this that's going to take up some code. Which is alright, I guess. Because all I really need to do is... Well, there's not a way... I wonder if there's a way to pull... Since it's in a family... Let's see, these are all going to have this. Eh. I can't assign behaviors like that. All right. This is one of those things that you think would just be built into Construct 2. You know? I don't know, Michael. It's hard for me to say until stuff is actually in action. That's why I'm not good at game design or coming up with ideas, because I can't visualize or think about stuff until I see it, until I make it move. So, that's why I like getting design docs and then designing something based on that doc and then seeing how it works. But I'm more of a trial and error type. This would have been a lot easier had I done this to begin with, but how's everybody else doing? Got any projects? Anybody want to show off anything? I'd be happy to show it off. I got a few games from a Construct 2 developer named Rust Puppy that I'm going to play here in a bit on Steam, and he gave me some keys to give away as well, so we'll do that. Creeper Fighter 2, welcome, my friend. Thanks for stopping in. Will do. Will do, Michael. Oh, daylight savings time ended? Or whatever. Time changed yesterday? I don't know. I'm in Arizona, so we don't change clocks. So I never know what is happening with that. So did it change? Am I only 2 hours behind Eastern now? Is it 1 p.m. Eastern now? What are you adding to all the fuses right now? Oh, the problem with the level editor is when I select something to then add it to the grid, there was no way in Construct 2 to say, I clicked on this object, store this object as a variable, and then when I click on something, create this object. There's not a way to do that. So Rex Rainbow created a plugin called Nickname, where you can assign a nickname to all your objects and then create based on that name. So then when I click on one, I can store that name into the variable and then create it based on that name. So I'm just adding this nickname behavior to all the objects right now. Because what I'm going to try to... Oops. That's not what I wanted. So I'm going to try to do something to really minimize my code here. Oops. So we're going to see how it works. Who just popped in? Letron, welcome. You mean this guy? That's a ladybug. It means, oh man, it's almost time for a main break already? Holy cow. I think on today's main break, I'm not going to do a main break. I'm going to play one of Rust Puppy's games. So anyways, these are done now, and they're all part of this family. So what I'm curious about is when I touch... That sounds a little weird, but when I touch a member of the family, can I store selected object to family.nickname. No. Because the family actually has to have a nickname behavior, which is going to be different than the player. Last created instance UID. Yeah, alright. That's kind of what I was afraid of. That's alright. We'll just have to do this part the long way. Main break hype. Oh, yeah. Alright, so this is going to be a boring and tedious process right here. Actually, let me go back. I think if I do it this way instead. I'm going to rename this Nick. Now let's do... Oops. No. What am I doing? Touch. On touch is a family. Set selected object to family.nick.nickname? Oh, not family, duh. Blocks. And then on marker creates selected object. I think this will work. What I need to do is remove that nickname. Give it the nickname here instead. Sweet. Okay. So that just, yeah, that cut my coding down a ton. And also, wait, what was my code to make it all big? Create object. Create instance. Selected object. Alright, that should give me that big one back too, I think. Except not in the right spot. 96, 496. Wait, what? What just happened? It's picking the wrong one to it's picking the wrong one to resize because it's picking it over here. So I'll need to do a function real quick. Oh, what did I miss? Does construct to serialize everything? Meaning, does it give everything a unique ID? Yes, it does. Yes, it gives everything a UID. It actually it gives everything an IID too, which I might have been able to use that in this case. Now that you mentioned it, I completely forgot about that. Because everything has a unique ID. But everything, I think each object has an IID that is... that's per object though, so that's not unique to each object. So I think if you have more than one of these, then yeah, the unique ID is different per object. That's why I couldn't use that. Oh, geez, Michael. Simple, man. Simple. Yeah, I mean, you can... a lot of times, like, if you're colliding maybe two of the same object together, they still have... They have individual UIDs that you can use to determine between the two of them. In certain instances like that. So scaling the wrong one, I need to create a function called create thumbnail thumb. And this will do this and this. Oops. Oops. Call function create. And the reason I'm doing this, let me make sure it works real quick before I tell you why I'm doing it. Holy moly, that did not do what I wanted it to do. Oh, I'm not picking a block here. How am I going to do this with this? Because this part of it's working, right? Yeah. What I want to do is make this one bigger so it's prominent, so you know... Oops. So you know what's happening. but I want to take this one. So let's see, can I pick it? Oh, pick. No, because that's gonna... Since I'm not creating it through... It's one bad thing about using third-party plugins. I just have... Yeah, there's no way to determine. Man, let me think about this. In the touch box, I'm going to set the selected object to the block's nickname. So I don't need that anymore. When I touch the marker, I'm going to create an object to that marker. Right. Hey, buddy. Oh, main break. Alright, I will think on this. And while I do, I want to show off. We'll do the first game. This is called Spooky Cats. This is by Russ Puppy. He's a Construct2 developer. He sent me this along with a key to give away. So this is a real cute, like, cat game. If it's too loud, let me know. So it's a simple little platformer, but it's got some really good mechanics. I mean, it's got like this dash thing, collect coins, you bounce on top of guys, ghosty cats to kill them. That's how you go to the next level. So it's got wall jumps, double jumps, and then it's got like this Sonic kind of dash move you use to kill guys. Generally, I'm not a fan of like dark games where you can't really see a whole lot, but it didn't bother me too much in this one. But the controls are pretty spot on. Oh, you can't kill those guys. Oops. I mean, even though it's like kind of a simple, cartoony looking graphics, the gameplay is really solid. Especially when you start mastering that kind of dash attack. Those guys gotta kill twice. So I saved the little girl. Take her back to her. I don't know if I'm saving her soul, taking her back to her soul. Oh no! Sorry, little girl. You were playing this the other day? Cool. Yeah, it's pretty fun. Alright, let's go. Let's go home. Oh. There we go. Yay. Alright, so you need keys to get through those areas. There's a key. Hit that button, and I believe that opened up. There was a door that it opened up. Was it towards the beginning? Oh, right down here. Took me to the next level. Oh. Purple EXE Murphy, welcome, my friend. Taking a little break. Playing a game by a fellow Construct 2 developer named Rust Puppy. This game is on Steam. It's got good reviews. It's got good controls. It plays very well. Oops. Now, some crates you can break and some you can't. It's just a real solid. It's a solid feel. Like I said, even though it looks a little bit kitty-like, not kitty like a cat, kitty like kids. It plays really good, so I definitely recommend it. And it's fun to see Construct 2 games like this on Steam. So I'm gonna call that quits there. Check out Spooky Cats, and we'll play his other game here in a little bit. But for now, I want to... Hey, thanks for the follow. Victorious L2, thanks for the follow, man. So we got two things to do right now. I'm going to give away... Oops. I need to clear all that. Hold on a sec. That's my, oops. Yeah, let's shut that off and shut that off. Okay, so I want to give away a Steam key for Spooky Cats. So let's do that now. Because he was kind enough to give me some keys to give away. So, Spooky Cats Steam key, and we are going to do this just as a my regular way we do giveaways. So, let's see who wins this. Farad71, you won yourself a key to Spooky Cats on Steam. So, let me turn off my green screen real quick and get that for you. I will shoot you a whisper with it. There you go, Farad. You should have that Steam key. And congrats. It's a fun game. Check it out. And I could turn my green screen back on. And let's see. My mouse is flipping out. There we go. Let's get these guys cleaned up a little bit here. Everyone's all crunched together. There we go. Nobody needs to see those guys. Alright. Now, we did have a follow, so thank you for that follow. And some of you know what we do on follows is we do a mystery box. Let's see what's going to come up for our follow. Change for $1. Who is going to get 4 quarters? Random select. Who's going to get 4 quarters? Mubo 144. You won yourself 4 quarters. It should give it to you automatically. If it doesn't, let me know. And I will make sure I get that fixed right up. I need to make MooBot and ArcadeBot always come down here. Alright. That was good times. Back to work. Oh, and again, for all you new folks that popped in, if any of you are Construct 2 developers and you have questions, fire away. If you have questions about game dev just kind of in general, fire away. I can answer, maybe somebody in the chat can answer if I can't. So, I'm here for another 45 minutes or so, probably. So, if you have questions, man, just please ask. I am always more than happy to help the best that I can. To the best of my ability. Alright? So we're going to continue on. Dog is laying on my foot. Oh, sorry, buddy. Oh, I'm sorry. You're on my foot. Okay, so this is from Rex. What it does is it allows you, on the behavior side, it allows you to assign a nickname to an object. So, for example, my bomb object, let me make this a little bigger. My bomb object, I give it a nickname of bomb. So then I'm able to, using the nickname plugin, I'm able to create an object based on its nickname. So what this is allowing me to do is when I touch on any one of my objects in my family, I then assign a text variable, then basically the nickname of that object that I touched. And then I'm able to, when I click on my marker, to create an object based on the nickname. Hopefully that makes sense. You should see it on the Arcaded TV page. If you don't see the extra 4, let me know. I'm not sure if I coded in that automatic 4 quarters or if I need to do it manually. So let me know, and then I'll make myself a note to code it in if it's not coded in there. But I don't know why you're not getting quarters. You seem to be the only one, so I don't know if it's because you have... Well, I don't know why quarters would not work for you, to be honest. It doesn't make any sense. But I'll look into it still. Let me go into here. I think I got the vanishing people fixed. So I still need to test that. Quarters for all. Does it automatically give quarters? I know if you're not registered on the website, you won't see quarters if you type quarters. So make sure your name's spelled the same. Make sure you put in the right Twitch name when you register on the website, and I'll check all this out later off stream so I can see. Okay, I'll give you the 4 right now. Give Mubo 1444. Okay, I need to fix that. Nothing's happening right now. Just for some reason, when I give when I give quarters, it launches this. I don't know why. So, Latron, sorry buddy, didn't win anything this time. Why does Galaga start when giving quarters? I get that one knocked out as well. Oh, you're welcome, my friend. So I'll make sure, I'll try to figure out what's up with the quarter situation. Why that's not working. So what I'm trying to figure out now is, since I'm creating objects using this other plugin, I'm gonna have to store since it's not creating it through the regular system. Was there like a pick last selected or something? I thought I saw for nickname. Last created instance UID. Get the last created instance UID. Okay. So I can work with that, I think. Awesome. Okay, so last created instance UID. So that okay, I can work with that. So what I want to do is pick by unique ID, and then nickname dot last created instance UID, and then I want to do that. I think that'll work. Yay! All right. Okay, so that's just a matter of going into each of these guys, setting their nicknames. Oh, I need to remove the old instance behavior too before I get confused. A lot of grunt work right now. But once this is all set up, it'll be so much nicer than the way I was going to do this. I guess the nickname really doesn't matter. But and I don't even have to remove this other one. I'm kind of particular about having extra stuff in there that I don't need that could possibly confuse me later, because that's not very hard to do. So So yeah, in about maybe 10-15 minutes, I want to play Rust Puppy's other game that they gave me, so I can go ahead and give that away. Farad, did you get your did you get your Steam key for that game? I'm not sure if you were around here. I'll send it to you on Twitch as well, just to make sure you get it. But if you are here still, give a shout out and make sure, let me know that you got the key. I would appreciate it. Let me get you guys all situated a bit here. I should really make these in like a grid instead, but whatever. Alright, let's continue on. Did everybody have a good Halloween? Hopefully so. I know we did. We just had some friends. Had some friends over. Kids went trick-or-treating. Made some homemade ranch and bacon ranch fries and some chili. It was a good time. I always enjoy it too because I get to stay home and hand out the candy while everyone else goes trick-or-treating, so I get a few minutes of peace, and it's usually right around the World Series, so I get to watch the World Series and hand out candy. So it works out very well. I enjoy it. Not a big fan of the Halloween holiday in general anyways, so I'm glad I get to go home and just stay home and do that. Alright, I'm getting there. Have any of you guys been watching the Bob Ross Marathon on Twitch? That's some good stuff. I start watching it, think I'm going to watch it for a couple minutes, and then like 30 minutes have gone by. Because, you know, you've got to see him finish the painting. Victorious 12, welcome, buddy. Good seeing you. I'm almost done with this boring part. Yeah, this would have been so much easier to have done when I created all these the first time, but you know, it's all part of the process. Figuring out a better way to do something and then having to do stuff like this. 4 more. Alright, let's save that. Now we should be able to run this, and whatever we pick, we'll get our big one. And then whatever we pick, we can put into our grid, like so. Yep, and then I'm going to add in a way to rotate these. So, alright. I just realized it wasn't deleting the old ones, so... Let me put 96 by 496. Oops. .46 by 496. Or 96 by 496. So let's see, when I create a new thumb, first I want to do subevent. If a block is overlapping then destroy that block. And then we'll add a blank subevent. Then we'll do that. And we'll name this sprite selected collision. We got two Indian chiefs together over there. Alright, that should fix that issue. Yes. Alright. Let's do 112. Oops. All right. IBell9, welcome. Thanks for joining us. Thanks, Michael. Yeah, it's coming along. So now let's see. What is this called? Grid. So let's see. Let me try to do something real quick here. Let's say if a block is overlapping the grid and add another condition. How do I want to do this? I think I want to use the mouse. I don't think I'm actually gonna... Yeah, I'm gonna use the mouse for this stuff and not touch. So this is gonna be a PC editor anyways, I think for now. And another condition, and mouse on click. Right click. So if it's overlapping the grid and I right click on it, I want to take that block and rotate it. Can you not set the angle? Oh, set angle of my block dot. Is that not a thing? Oh, blocks dot angle plus 90. So let's see. Well, that's not a good example. Alright, that's rotating all of them. Except for the one I'm clicking on. Okay, that's funny. Aw, thanks, man. You do have great ideas. Yeah, it's not actually picking the one I'm clicking on. I need to change this to on object clicked. Right click. Let's try that instead. There we go. I just realized you can click in here to yeah, I probably don't want to maybe make middle click to delete them. Let's do that. But before I do that, I want to take a little break and show off this other game from Rust Puppies. And this one is called The Deletion. So let me pause my game. And I have a Steam key of this to give away as well. Again, this game is made in Construct 2. It's called Deletion by Rust Puppy. I believe... I don't know if a gamepad works on this one or not. No gamepad in this game.
Go.
So the goal, it's simple platform controls. So arrow keys and up to jump.
Go.
And you don't want the red to hit you. Now, I found this game extremely fun, and I think the developer actually told me that the Spooky Cats game does better than this game on Steam. But I think with a graphics update to this game, with like a a professional artist, that this game could do really well because the puzzles are cool.
Deleted.
It's hard, but the levels are kind of quick. So I think throwing some visual effects into this could go a long way. Yikes. So yeah, but it's definitely a lot of fun.
Go.
Hey Querix, how's it going, man?
Deleted.
Alright, I did pass this one before, so go. No.
Deleted.
Man, I'm going too soon every time. Again, this is called Deletion. Another one made in Construct 2. Ooh, an exam this week, huh? Alright. There we go.
Go.
Ah.
Deleted. Go.
Clever, clever girl. Ah.
Go.
This is cool stuff. This is really cool stuff. Love it. Yeah, man, I would think. Oh no. How am I gonna get? How am I gonna get in there? Stop following me.
Deleted.
Anyway, so this is Deletion. Very cool. Looks like there's 40 levels. Oops. So I recommend you guys checking it out. I do have a Steam key for it, which I am going to... Uh-oh. I think I may have given Farad the wrong key earlier. Let me make sure. I did not do that. No, I gave him the right key. Alright. So, Steam key for the Deletion. Incoming. Who's gonna win? Who knows? Let's see. And Rust Puppy, again, thank you for the Steam keys to give away. That was very kind of you. Michael, you won it this time, my friend. I am going to whisper you the Steam key. There you go, buddy. You have a new Steam key for the Deletion. You enjoy that. Fun game for sure. Let's turn our music back on. Check all these messages on my phone I just got. See what's up. One of our friends' camera went missing. That is a bummer. All right, back at it. Yeah, I can gift it to you. Are we friends on Steam? Or actually, I'll send you a message on Twitch. With the key, okay, Farad? If that works out for you. Actually, let me do that right now while I'm thinking about it. Spooky cat. Let me open up Twitch in another window. New message 2. Make sure I have the spelling of your name right. Farad71. Whoa. Alright, buddy, I sent it to you on Twitch Messenger, so check under your other messages, and it should be there. Alright, alright. Boss Talk, welcome. Thanks for popping in. There was one other thing I need to check on my phone right quick. Okay. Anyway, I think we're in good shape on the level editor. We've got... Oh, I needed to add a middle click, right? On middle click. Then blocks need to get destroyed. There we go. So we've got like this, and maybe one of these here, and these here. We need one here, and we can rotate it. And then we need one of those. And then a few of these. And I go, oops, I actually want a T here. Why don't you keep rotating? I'll only rotate one time? Was it always doing that? Alright, let's fix that. Set the angle to the block's angle plus 90. So each time I click, it should add 90 to its angle. Oh, you go to games and activate a product on Steam, and then you just put the key in right there. And that'll do it for you. All right. I'm actually. I need to go ahead and kill the stream. I got something I got to do. I have somebody coming over to pick something up. But man, thank you guys for hanging out with me this morning. It's so fun to just have somebody to chat with while I'm piddling around with this stuff that we call game dev. So Thank you, and I will see you guys on Tuesday for... What are we going to do on Tuesday on the stream? Let's take a look. Let's see. We did local storage, high scores and arrays last time. Touch controls, functions, sounds, boss battles. I guess I could touch on touch controls. I'm not sure that would be a very long... it could be long though, because we could work on swipes and double multi-touch. How to know which touch is which. Drag and drop, that type of stuff. So yeah, I think we'll go ahead and do that. Go ahead and do that on Tuesday for our regular Construct 2 learning stream. Graham Abbott, thanks man, thanks for popping in. We're just finishing up the stream for today, oh, you're welcome, man. Oh, of course, man. I enjoy doing this. So yeah, Tuesday, regular Tuesday stream we'll do touch controls. So we'll work on swipes, multi-touch, drag and drop. Bring your questions on touch controls for mobile. Try my best to answer them on stream. If you have questions you want to shoot me ahead of time, tweet me at IndieElf. So at IndieElf or at LearnConstruct2, and I'll make sure that I get the answers for those going for the stream. So yeah, tweet me at those places for specific touch control questions, and oh, go ahead, Mubo. I think it's gonna be too short. I think I can stretch it out since I'm adding all this other stuff, but if you have a suggestion, man, fire away, please. Oh, I see it there. What about touch controls as well as some device? Hold on, my thing is being weird. Some device features like accelerometer, GPS, etc. I could think about that. I know how to do accelerometer stuff. I don't know if I know how to do GPS stuff, but I can look into it, see if I can figure it out. Accelerometer. Yeah, and what I'll probably end up doing with stuff like accelerometer is actually showing people also how to kind of make your own little debugger app to show what the accelerometer is doing, so then you can kind of judge how you want your game to interact with the numbers that it spits out. Something like that. So, but yeah, I will add that in there. GPS. So I'll add stuff like that. So, all right, cool. Definitely. So again, thank you guys for hanging out with me today. And I will see you Tuesday night for the Construct 2 stream. If I happen to stream Monday or Tuesday during the day, it'll probably be working on this game or finishing up the overlay a little bit. So if you want to catch my daily stream, please do. So awesome. I will check you guys in a couple of days. All right. So be safe. Happy Sunday. And I'll talk to you guys soon.